Flower petals follow Fibonacci sequence mathematical patterns. Spirals in shells reflect cosmic energy movement. Tree branch patterns mirror human blood vessel networks. React with sparkles if you see geometry in nature. Honeycomb hexagons optimize space and energy efficiency. Crystal formations follow precise geometric rule systems. Human body proportions match golden ratio measurements. Seed patterns predict plant growth spiral directions. Mountain formations contain sacred geometric relationships. Water forms perfect geometric structures when frozen. Sacred geometry appears in ancient architecture worldwide. Geometric patterns in art induce meditative states. Mandala creation activates right brain creative functions. Geometric shapes carry specific vibrational frequency signatures. Sacred geometry meditation enhances spatial awareness abilities.